It's the golden liquid that's used for everything from salad dressing to furniture cleaner. Olive oil is a staple in much of Europe, but there's a crisis coming. Italy's olive oil industry is facing destruction as a bacterial disease is threatening to kill most of the country's olive trees. 1 million trees are already infected with the Xylella fastidiosa bacteria in a region south of Naples, about 10%. Farmers and government officials have taken the step of killing healthy trees to create a border between the south and the north. Italy is the world's second largest producer of olive oil. But this is just more bad news for the industry. 2014 was described as a black year, with harvests down up to 50% from a year earlier. That's hit prices. The International Olive Council say prices are up 121% in just 1 year. The disease highlights the vulnerability of some of the world's soft commodities to infections. In April, citrus greening disease, which makes oranges sour, made its way to Chinese fields. It has already devastated Florida's orange industry. Production is at its lowest level in decades, and sales are down nearly 50%. The U.S. government has already spent hundreds of millions of dollars to find a cure. And last month in Australia, the deadly Panama disease hit Queensland's banana industry. 2 farms have so far been quarantined. And while Australia produces just a tiny amount of global banana production, experts say it's only a matter of time before it reaches Central America. Phil Hahn, CNBC, London.